We just had all morning in the office, in the warehouse, did a staff meeting, made some plans for the rest of the week and the week after, and now we're going to go and have some food in a typical Peruvian restaurant. Let's see what. So this is in the heart of the furniture manufacturing part of Lima, and Fernando wants to rent a place here and put a sign here saying Astra. So this is one of the customers, Martin, big warehouse style customer with lots and lots of different products. It's one of the major customers, and they do all sorts of things, hardware, a lot of melamine style wooding, a little bit of LED.